Hello and welcome to Budget with Brian. And today we're going to be looking at some products from RollingDog, which were very kindly sent to me. We've got a little bit of snagging to do. We've got some of these screw heads that have just popped the plasterboard as things have shrunk back, as it's dried out and so on. And we're just going to make good there. And these really are the perfect tools for the job. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly unbox these and then just show you what comes in each of the packs. And then we're going to do a job. We're actually going to use them straight away to fill and then paint thereafter. So with no further ado, if you're not already a subscriber, please do hit that subscribe button, ding the bell, and then we'll tell you when our next videos come out. So as I said, both these kits were sent to me from RollingDog. And I'm just going to go through the two packs there. So the first one here is a roller, 12-piece mini roller set. These are the sort of things that, really, if you've just got a small job to do, everything that you need is in the pack. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to unbox, if you like, just by ripping it apart here, and then we can go through the separate items that are in there. So I was really pleased when RollingDog reached out to me to have a look at these products because I already knew that they were really quite good quality compared to some of the kits that I had purchased and were on the van ready to be used, which I have to say, they're more disposable. These are definitely not in that disposable bracket. They're a lot heavier duty. They're very nicely made. And if you haven't come across their brand, you really should take a look at them if you need some painting supplies. So first up in the kit here, we've got a lovely stirrer. And the great thing about this stirrer is it's got a little hook here so that, you don't drop it in. You can just hook it on there. It's right in the paint. You can give your paint a good stir and then just hang it on there. So that's a nice feature. It's nice to have it included in a pack here. I don't think I've ever had one that is included. You've then got the roller part itself, nicely rubber over grip there. That's this is really a quality item. It is compatible with extension rods of multiple types. Again, good solid quality, nicely made. You then get a whole bunch of rollers. So we've got some light fluffy ones there, and we've got some heavier fluffy ones here. Because these are very new, the best thing to do is just to wrap these in masking tape just to pull off any fluff that you might have on there, but those are particularly nice and fluffy. I shall be using one of these just to touch that in. And then we also have a nice cutting in brush, which, it's difficult to do with one hand, but we're doing it. Come on. There we go, a nice 40mm. My word, that feels really nice. Those bristles are really, really, really nice. Actually, I don't think I've owned a paintbrush as nice as this, actually. It's really nice. It feels like an over-exaggeration, but actually the quality of those bristles are really, really good, actually. That did surprise me, actually. Yeah, so anyway, you've got a little 40mm cutting in brush. That's very nice. That's included in the kit as well. Right, so that's the mini roller kit. They also do a larger roller kit and a whole load of other painting supplies. What I'll do is I'll put a link to where you can get these on Amazon below, but I'll also try and link to a list of all of their products so you can see what's available in the range. This isn't just a one-off, kit with with a brand name there. They really are trying to build a name for themselves, and it really shows in the quality of the materials used and the finished product itself. Right, let's move on to the filler knife set. So this is a 3-piece set. probably less to talk about on this than there is for the others. All of my current filler knives, which is why I asked for a set of these, are absolutely covered in filler and all sorts of stuff. They're obviously nice and brand new, and quite a mirrored finish. 3 different sizes. I'm going to be using this one today, but again, it's got that same quality rubber over moulding. You know, it's very ergonomically made there. They are all pretty much, you know, the same. Good grip, good quality. I mean, you know, I very much doubt you'll find a better quality filling knife than that. I mean, obviously, many people have their own favourite brands, but when the quality is this good and at the price point, it'd be very easy for this to be my favourite brand. Anyway, let's get to the job. Actually, I said I was going to use that one, but I'm actually going to use this one first off. So here we go. I'm just gonna oink that out. And then the very next thing I'm going to do is, there'll be a screw up here, and I'm going to have that out. I'm going to lengthen these screws. I suppose there's 2 approaches to this. You could either take the screws out, or you could drive them harder in. But my feeling is once they've started to pop, they'll keep on popping. So, yeah, I actually need a step ladder. So I'm going to go that, and I'm going to get my little hoover. There we go. There's our 2 holes to fill. So I'm going to be using some of this one fill stuff. It's what I keep on the van. It's a bit odd because it's incredibly lightweight. It's, you know, really like marshmallow, quite frankly. But yeah, that's what we're going to use. Quite a generous amount. It's got a nice bit of flex on that filling knife. So I can tell you that the rest of the job went fantastically well, but unfortunately the rest of the footage got lost. I'm not going to go back and redo that. This video was probably a little bit odd in that I don't normally show myself using products in that way, and I'm quite frankly not going to bother doing it again. It's better for me to just do, I'm going to call it an unboxing, but certainly a walk round of products and keep them a little bit shorter and a little bit snappier. So I'm going to finish it there. Thanks again for watching. If you're interested in any of these products, I'll put some links below. But as always, we're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe.